Can you read these kanji?
山、山。川、川。入り口、入り口。出口、出口。上、上。下、下。中、中。外、外。右、右。左、左。川の中に魚がいます。出口はどこですか？左に曲がると山が見えます。
Great job making it to the end of the quiz. Even if you didn't get all the answers right, that's completely okay. Kanji can be easy to forget, especially when you don't use them every day. The most important thing is to keep reviewing at your own pace. Don't rush, and don't worry about mistakes, they are part of learning. Keep going, and you will improve step by step.